What's happening, guys? Safety Liner C2 here. Fragile package, which is always nice. Fragile, and fragile, and fragile, and fragile, and fragile. Except for, I'm pretty sure that none of this is fragile. I got a package from Noah. I bought a few things off of him, and he included a few other things that he said he wanted me to show on video. Of course, I have no idea what they are. Let's check it out. So, I've been... You see, Noah has a way of getting you to buy stuff. Of course, he has really good deals on, you know, stuff that he's trying to get rid of. And, yeah, so this is going to be pretty interesting stuff here, actually. The things that I know of. And then, of course, you know, who knows what else he included in here. Jeez, he really taped this thing up, too.
6 hours later.
Alright, after lots of trying to get it open, we have finally got it open. Oh! Let's see. Freightliner. Read this before opening the Walmart. Basically, not Target bags, because one, or the CE's the black bagged one, I don't know. Let's see. So, okay. This isn't something I wanted to show you to demo for SBH. He originally told me that he was going to include something in here for School Bus Heritage that he, I don't know, he wanted something. So, P.S. the stop arm isn't meant to open, which I'm pretty sure you knew that. Also, it only came with one body-mounted mirror. Enjoy the ad revenue from the video that this makes. Noah Navistar. Okay. I have no idea what he wants to show me. Oh, here we go. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Got it. Come on. Store. I'll show you all in a minute, but let's take this out. We've got packing peanuts. Okay, we've got a black box. We have got this. We've got... Oh, this is a little Terrorstar ambulance. He has one of these, or he has a couple of these, I guess. But just a cool little Matchbox Terrorstar. Let's open this up real quick and look at this. If I can. He's really gone on a taping spree. So let's... Now the Terrorstar is what the ICCE is based off of. So, cool little model. Yeah, this is really cool. So, thanks, Noah. So, we'll set that to the side. And there's one other thing in here. What does this say? Oh my god. Oh god, I swear. Go subscribe to Busboy 501 Productions for real bus videos. ROR is a fucking joke. Oh my god, I swear, Noah. And then I think that's it. Oh, we got something else in here. This is not a receipt. Let me look at what this is then. Make sure it's nothing too stupid. Oh, it says enjoy the something, so I'm gonna... Let's see, we'll open that up later. Here's another one. Thank you. That's probably his actual receipt. Okay. And let me show you all this. He's starting to do this in his packages now, write stuff on them. So yeah, thanks for watching, which of course, you know. Let's see, what does this one say? I reused this box from Adam. Well, I guess we're going to have to burn this box now, so. Alright, let's look and see what we've got in here. This one, I know what this is, so we'll start with this one. Alright, This is a ICCE model that is just pretty much like the ICBE one. Now, like I said, no one gives pretty good deals on this stuff. So when I didn't have one and he said he was going to sell a couple of them, or one of them or something, I took him up on his offer. So, yeah, okay. Got a little stop sign here. We've got the black hood on it. We're missing the body-mounted window right there. Yeah, so this is a nice model, actually. Let's do a quick size comparison real quick. Let's move the camera back too. I have the C2 right here. You can see they're the same lengthwise, pretty much the same, you know. And then, just for giggles, let's do the ICBE, which of course these are made by the same manufacturer. So, they look pretty much the same. But, oops. Yeah, so this is my first ICCE model. Again, start snagging these CE models up if you ever see one. They are getting a little bit harder to come across. I should have gotten a bunch of these when when they were actually on IC's website. Really should have, but you know, that's okay. So now I know what to do. So all right, let's check out this second thing. Let's see, I'm gonna have a lot of boxes on my desk. I think this is the other thing that I bought from him right here, this thing, and here we go again with the tape, and again with even more tape in here. This is not the other thing I ordered from him, so we're gonna take a look at this one instead, because I know what this one is and I have no idea what that other one is. So this one is particularly interesting because it's kind of a misprint, kind of not. But it's, in my book, it's a misprint, but I think Thomas did it on purpose. Well, I kind of just gave a little bit of it away. Alright, here we go. Let's go ahead, get this open. Here we go. Now this is an HDX model, which I already have HDX models. Okay. Alright. Beautiful HDX model. This is, you know, it just looks normal. You know, nothing too out of the ordinary. But, let's take a look at the bottom down here. Safety liner ER, which this is obviously not an ER. Alright, so this is my current HDX model right here, and this is the new HDX model. So we're going to take a look at just a couple differences. You can see the rims are different, and the back is the other noticeable thing, the difference in tail lights. But the reason that I think that they put ER on this is because this is an early 2000s model, and that's around when the ER was, you know, halted production and switched over to the HD, which is technically what this model would be. It'd be an HD and not an ER or HDX. Now, I'm pretty sure Thomas's marketing team had, you know, no idea because they probably did not care. But this is technically, in my book, not an ER, but an HD. So, HDX, HD, but there is an actual ER model, which I don't have, and those are, again, kind of hard to find. So, yeah, so here we go. HD model. I am not calling it an ER. This is my HD model. They're the same, you know, lengthwise, and they're the same size, but if you guys want to see a video on kind of the differences between the HDX models that I have, let me know. I might do that, actually. So, alright, let's look at the last thing that he got me now. Alright, I don't have the slightest clue as to what this is besides a model. You can see a little bit of yellow right here. And it's a Type C model because it goes down right here and there's wheels right here. So other than that, that's all I'm working off of. Never mind, you might be able to see what it is. That is a international something. Some sort of international model, S1800 or so. So let's see if we can figure out what the heck this thing is. Now, I don't know of any other S1800 models besides Thomas S1800, so I'm gonna, like bus models rather, but that's what my money is on, a Thomas S1800 model, which I do not have one. And again, they are kind of harder to find now. So, if Noah actually got an S1800 Thomas for me, which, what do you know, it is one. Man, okay. I had no idea about this thing, so... Alright, uh-oh. Alright, let's take a look at this. Alright, obviously we're missing a hood, which, that's kind of figured that was broken, but... Anyways, beautiful, beautiful S1800 model. We'll have to figure out some way to get this. Oh, that just hooks back on there, so that's kind of an easy fix. But let's see. I guess this is the stop sign that does not come out. And you can see, got a rear E-door that actually has a moving handle, which is pretty cool. There's nothing in there, but I hear something jiggling around in it. Oh, this is a bank, too. Yeah, but this is really, really cool. I was not expecting this at all. Let's look at some quick size comparisons here with the HDX. This S1800 is a little bit smaller than that. Kind of the same length and width. This thing is heavy, too. It's a little bit heavier than the HDX, but it's a beautiful, beautiful model, and I have, oh, well, I was going to say I have no idea how you get these coins out of here, but I guess you open up this E-door right here, and kind of do that, but let's take a look at the bottom here. Limited edition, okay, cool, cool. Wow, this is a beautiful model. So, need to do a little bit of cleanup up here, but that's not going to be too bad. Otherwise, just a very, very nice looking Thomas S1800 model that I was not expecting. And let me take this hood off real quick. You can see that there's a engine in there too, which is, I love attention to detail on models. And that is definitely attention to detail right there, so... Let's take a look at these receipts now and see what he had to say about these. Okay, first one, which I guess this should have been in the bag, but enjoy this lovely Thomas ER model. Yes, it is famous. It was used in one of my videos that got over 2,000 views, so feel free to link that video if you do an unboxing, fam. Right up here. Okay, I was going to use it for my videos, but okay. On the other hand, that was nothing. Have a fantastic day, best friend. Okay, I'm done writing this. I don't know what this one is then. Thank you. Let's see. This is a receipt or something. Oh, your receipt. Yeah, well, okay. I already know what I paid and whatnot. Let's see. Items Cam has bought for me to make content with, and then stuff down here. Also, as you can see, there's a 99 over here, and he asked for one more penny. You owe me a penny, and then, yeah, so, you know, gotta love Noah. This is really good stuff right here. HDX, S1800, CE, and a little Terrorstar model, so this is really cool. This is awesome stuff. Again, I had no idea this S1800 was coming, so that is really, really cool, and definitely gonna set that one to the side and, you know, take a look at later on and see what else we got. So, yeah, this is a really good little haul. So thank you, Noah, as always. I'm sure I'll be buying more stuff off of you um, in the future. I'm pretty positive that I will be. But guys, go ahead and check out Noah's channel. Link is down below. Of course, he has, good content on his channel, kind of, not really. Yeah, so huge shout out to Noah for all of this, and for a good price too, if I'd say so myself. So I think that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe right down here. It's magical red button that says you are now subscribed to Safety Line or C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, or over here. I don't know where they put it, I don't care where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or this hood will never stay on here. And make sure you also share this video with a friend. Show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care, don't get raped. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. And thanks for watching.